What's going on, everyone, and welcome to Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Today we're going to be going over one of the most important steps of detailing your car, and that is restoring your headlights. And as you see, this Mercedes-Benz has a faded headlight which happens due to oxidation and the way that solar rays beat down on the plastics, giving you this really hazy yellow look. So today we're going to show you how to properly remove that, but also showing you the proper steps on how to prep the surface as well as protect it. So let's get started. The first step is to clean the surface off. Now, the vehicle's already been washed, but just to make sure that there's no lingering dust or anything that's landed on the surface of the headlight, we'll use Swift Wipe, which is a waterless wash, and it's great for your touch-up jobs such as this. Using a green workhorse microfiber towel, we'll just simply mist the towel as well, and the headlight, and just wipe away any of the dust and debris. And this will ensure that we're not picking up any kind of contamination or grime on our pad, which could potentially cause marring or scratches, as well as deteriorate the pad. See, just a little bit of dirt that was lingering on the surface. So now that you see, we just removed that light layer of dust and debris that was sitting on the headlight. It's ready to move on to our next step, which is the actual decontamination of the headlight. And to do so, I'll be using an OG clay bar. And what a clay bar is, if you're unfamiliar, is a very sticky tack substance, which helps to remove and extract any kind of embedded impurities that are stuck in the pores of the paint, as well as anything that's gloss painted, shiny, or clear. So you can use it on your headlights, your glass, your windows, and anything else that may have stubborn areas of staining, or you have maybe tree sap that has landed on the surface. This is a great way to remove it and give you that smooth feel, but also it's a necessary step for when you're doing any kind of polishing. So to begin, I've already torn off a small piece of the OG clay bar and I've kneaded up into a small patty. And this is for control, and also if you were to drop the clay bar, it's just like a piece of gum where it'll start to pick up any kind of contamination from the floor. So it's important that you only use a little bit at a time, about 2 or 3 fingers width. Paired with our clay luber, we'll spray the bar, and I'll spray my hand. And we'll start spraying the headlight, and then just working back and forth. We're going to start pulling off the filth that's stuck in the plastic, giving you that smooth feel. And this will prepare it for our next step for polishing. Now, since we're only working on this headlight, this is a pretty quick process, but if you want more in depth on how to clay or even how to do a full headlight correction, we have plenty of videos on our channel that you guys can check out. But just moving right along, you can see that we're pulling off the embedded impurities as well as any kind of grime that lingers around the headlight. We've also cleaned off the area here, and we're going to put our clay bar off to the side. Using another clean microfiber towel, we'll just wipe off any of the spent product. Now that the headlight is clean, we're going to move on to the next step of actually taping off and masking the sensitive areas around the headlight. Just using some regular painter's tape. I know a lot of you guys ask what kind of tape we're using. This is just your generic painter's tape or masking tape, which is great for masking off sensitive areas such as your plastic and rubber trim that would cause staining or any kind of deterioration during the polishing step. So this is just a quick precaution on saving all that kind of pieces. So now that we've finished masking off the headlight, it's time to move on to the polishing step. So to do that, we'll be using Headlight Restorer, which is a one-step polish, and this is great for restoring the clarity to your headlights as well as your taillights that have oxidation, or in the case of this Mercedes-Benz where the yellowing has really dulled out that clarity. This is a perfect one-step way to rejuvenate it and give you that perfect brightness and shine. Now we paired it with a drill motor, and to do so, we have a good screw drill adapter and a 3-inch rotary backing plate. Now this is going to be a great way to turn any drill into a polishing machine, and we've paired that with our orange Hex Logic pads so that we can properly break down the Headlight Restorer and rejuvenate that clarity. To begin, we'll shake the bottle and apply 3 dots to the pad. And like I mentioned, this is a one-step polish, so it's not necessary to wet sand or color sand your headlights, but if you have really oxidized headlights or if you have the protective coating coming off of your headlights, it's perfectly fine to sand it with the corresponding sanding sheets and then use Headlight Restorer to rejuvenate that clarity. Now also we're using pad conditioner Since this would be technically a rotary polisher, this is a great way to cut down on excess heat, which could cause a potential burning or marring on the headlight, which would come out as like a half crescent moon shape. And it's also going to give the headlight restorer the proper time to break down and do its job. So just like with any polishing job, we're going to start by dabbing out the product, and then we'll spread it out. And working with the variable speed machine, you can bump it up to a little higher speed setting or basically feather the trigger until you have the right speed. And you want to work it until it goes basically clear or translucent. Then we'll come back with a clean microfiber towel, buff it off, and check our work. And there you have it, guys. You see how quickly and easy it is to use Headlight Restorer, and this is a product that virtually anyone can use to give your car that beautiful clarity. And also, it's a great way to give yourself that brightness at night, because night driving is very dangerous with very cloudy headlights, so this is going to enhance your brightness while giving your overall vehicle a better look. So now we'll just take our clean microfiber towel just to buff off any of the residue and any kind of spent product. The headlight is now very smooth, and there was no need to sand the headlight because even though it was cloudy and hazy, it didn't have any flaking clear coat, and it wasn't terribly clouded. So the Headlight Restorer did a great job on its own to restore that beautiful shine. And overall, now this car has a more cohesive look because the paint is very shiny, now the headlight's very shiny. So a great way to protect that is by putting on a coating. And one of my favorite coatings is HydroSlick. And HydroSlick is a ceramic infused hyper wax. And what that means is it's going to give you a durable layer of protection while still giving you that natural wax look, but it's going to last a lot longer than a traditional wax would. So just like any kind of wax though, it's very easy to apply. We'll start by shaking the bottle up, and we're going to be using it with a blue microfiber applicator pad. And since we're only working on the headlight, we'll do one small line. And then we'll start by dabbing it out on the headlight and then working it in, using a cross-hatching pattern just to ensure that we haven't missed any areas. And HydroSlick starts to bond almost immediately, so we'll let this sit for just about 30 seconds, maybe even less because it is warmer today. And then we'll just start buffing it off, and then it'll have that durable layer protection that lasts through all kinds of harsh elements, as well as through any kind of washes, to give you that same great clarity and shine. After allowing HydroSlick to bond for about 20 to 30 seconds, we're going to take a clean microfiber towel and just buff off any of the excess product and reveal that clarity. So again, guys, this is very easy to use, and it's a perfect way to enhance the overall look, the value, and the performance of your headlights. This way, as you're driving at night, you can be seen as well as you can see anything that's in the dark. Already this headlight looks a lot better. As you can tell, the before and after is going to be tremendous because we've removed the oxidation, that yellowing look, and now that it's protected, it has an overall glossier finish. So we're going to remove the tape, and then we can show you guys the true before and after. But in the meantime, you guys can check out all the products that you've seen us use today in our video on our website, chemicalguys.com, or at your local detail garage. If you like today's video, or if you just like pressing buttons, be sure to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to drop your comments down below for any future videos or anything else you guys may have questions about. And we'll see you next time right here in the detail garage.